Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Very venerable viewers, today we are going to discuss social relationship in psychosocial development of child. And today we are going to talk about the teacher-student relationship. And there are many factors which are being involved in the development of this sort of relationship. It's very strong relationship which can be developed by the teachers and by the student participation. The teacher is responsible for enabling a student to develop this sort of relationship. This one is very great and very strong relationship. Sometimes बच्चे जो है ना वो टीचर्स को अहमियत देते हैं और बाकी पेरेंट्स और फैमिली उसको उसके बाद उनकी प्रेफरेंस होती है, लेकिन why it has happened so? इसके लिए we have to discuss 4 timeless elements. About this, we'll discuss the consistent communication when being done in the class. We'll see कि communication को तसलसल के साथ बरकरार रखना चाहिए क्लास के अंदर, और whatever the task and activities are going to be done, but communication with the student should be in consistent way. कि बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं और उसमें sometime their task be visualized and encouragement is given individually or in a group form, और इसमें टीचर अपॉर्चुनिटी तलाश करता है और बी वेल कनेक्टेड. और अगर हम टास्क दे के भूल जाएं कि बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं और द टीचर इज नॉट वेल कनेक्टेड with the class, with the individuals, it's very important that during the task and during the activity we also monitor the individuals, those who are working in the class, and this communication be made effective, and this should be two-way, that we to collect responses from the individuals. बच्चों से responses लिए भी जाएं, बच्चे उसमें response करें. Verbal response भी हो सकता है, gesture, body language response भी हो सकता है. That is also acceptable and that is also admired and appreciated. इसी तरह हम देखते हैं कि there should be emotionally safe learning space that should be given to the students and individuals. How learning is possible? Learning is possible only with pleasantness. And teacher can create this sort of environment that individual feel pleasant. Pleasantness is only by the dint of giving appreciation, by the acceptance, and by the comfortable environment. The individual is comfortable where respect is there, where acceptance is there. Teacher बच्चों को इस तरह से accept करता है environment में that this one is suitable for you, and the child is very comfortable. There are some problems of the children that they feel to be ridiculed in a situation. The feel of ridiculation by the teacher or by the class fellows. The teacher is to control that sort of situation. The individual, the child, should not be ridiculed either by teacher nor by students or the peers. Is there when the criticism is required, उस पर comment करने की ज़रूरत है. Yes, comments are of 3 types. One comment is good. What the thing has been done good. बच्चे ने अगर काम किया है उसकी appreciation. Second, if we want to need some to give some direction, yes, we give direction. कि इसको इस तरह कर लिए जाए, तजवीज़ दी जाए, यानी उसके अंदर कोई अगर खामी है तो उसको बयान किया जाए इस अंदाज से कि उसको रिडिक्यूल ना किया जाए, और फिर सजेशंस उसको दी जाए. तीसरी तरह के जो कमेंट हो सकते हैं वो सजेशन कि इसको इस तरह से बेहतर बनाया जा सकता है. तो so we be positive for commenting the situation and we'll see. There should be a mutual respect. If we give respect to the individual, बच्चों को अगर हम respect देते हैं तो बच्चे भी उसी तरह feel and show us very good respect. And they trust on those who are giving trust, who are developing trust, and giving good feedback is a good source. Good feedback से मुराद ये है giving the good points that you have done these 3 points very good, very nice. Your participation is appreciated. And same like we teacher, like if we are over there, we monitor the progress. Progress monitoring means that the child has done one day the task and we'll see the another day the task. We to compare these 2 days tasks and we to see progress monitoring. Rather, the child is improving day by day. Yes, this one is the way. इसमें बच्चे को अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और उस पर एतमाद हासिल होता है और वो यकीनन 4 दिन का गैप और उसके बाद वाला गैप वो हासिल नहीं कर सकेगा, बल्कि डे बाय डे गैप जो ना वो हासिल करता है और उस पे उसकी एप्रिसिएशन टीचर डेवलप करता है. दिस विल बिकम a source of developing the social relationship. Very important is behavior management. How to behave, how to react to the other persons. किसी दूसरे की बात के लिए किस तरह से हम रिफ्लेक्ट करें, बच्चा किस तरह से रिफ्लेक्ट करता है और उसके लिए we play a role model. How we are reflecting. क्या हम जंजला उठते हैं या हम उसको स्मूथली रिप्लाई करते हैं. तो स्मूथ रिप्लाई is one of the good source for the behavior management. Same like there should be true equity in the class. Equity mean that we to maintain the disparity in learning. How we can maintain, because everybody is having different ability to learn, to bring a change in behavior. So we to keep in mind that one of the child is able to bring a change very rapidly, other is slowly. So we keep in mind and handle those situations with the same manner. And we are also to use the technology and maintain the use of technology, and its excessive use we to avoid and we to maintain the balance. And same like we to use the literature, and literature should be balanced, and we to give some quotations and other things we to quote. And we also keep in mind the socio-economic trends of the individuals, that how they are, we to quote examples very relevant to their socio-economic conditions. Thank you very much.